Hi mateys, Esthetician Vanessa here with a makeup tutorial using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mini Spice Palette. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I already prepped my skin with Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and Maybelline's Luminous Matte Foundation. We are priming our lids with NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, Morphe's blending brush, picking up a matte creamy nude shade. This will be our transition shade, windshield wiper motions. With a more dense fluffy brush, I'm picking up two shades from the palette, a dark reddish brown shade with sparkle reflex and a matte warm umber shade. Blend, blend, blend. Dust a pale skin color all over the lid. With your ring finger, dip into the sparkling pink. It gives you that glittery wet effect. Apply your favorite liner and mascara and lashes. The strip lashes are a Lash Couture in Hollywood. These are my #1 fave. Bronze up the skin with an angle brush and a cream stick using the figure 3 method. Using the Ulta Beauty Cheek Squad, both of the shades to give you that rosy cheeks. Setting the skin with Milani's Powder Bronzer and Pecan. Baking the under eyes for 5 minutes and going back in on the eyes, lining about 1/4 of the way in with an angle brush and using that matte warm umber shade. After I dusted the translucent powder, I went in with powder blush. This is Too Faced in Tequila Sunset. I applied mascara just in the middle of my eyes, still using that powder shade in the inner corner for more dramatic effect. I have been obsessed with these lip peel-off stains. You can get them off TikTok shop and at Ulta. I used the two colors mauve and hazel, but my favorite one is pink. I topped it off with a clear gloss from e.l.f. Then I went back in with the milk stick and highlighted my nose and inner corners. Using an angle brush and black shadow, it's going to blend my lash band and remove any glitter on the lash line. And that's it. This is the finished look. With this palette, you can create using subtle to dramatic looks. I love this palette because it's unique shades. Just make sure to tap your brush because it will get everywhere. Alrighty, bye.